Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying identity and securing your account. Enable 2FA and confirm KYC to unlock futures. Next, fund your futures wallet by transferring spot or stablecoins. Check collateral value in dollar and select your margin currency. Finally, navigate to futures, choose perpetual or delivery contracts, and set initial leverage. Do this now to position yourself. Lower leverage reduces liquidation risk, while higher leverage increases potential gain and danger. So pick a level that matches your risk tolerance. Once funded, focus on precise entry and risk management. Choose an order type, market for speed, limit for price control, stop limit to prevent slippage, and specify size in contracts or dollar value. Then decide margin mode. Isolated keeps risk to one position, cross-shares margin across positions, monitor margin ratio and maintenance margin constantly. Also set take profit, stop loss, and consider trailing stops or OCO to automate exits. These steps let you execute trades cleanly while protecting capital and reducing emotional errors. To finish, close or reduce positions. Use market close for speed or reduce only orders to avoid accidental entries. You can hedge by opening an opposite contract if necessary. After closing, withdraw profits back to spot wallet and reconcile your P&L, including funding fees and open interest impact. If something goes wrong, say an order won't cancel or margin is insufficient, first check margin status and cancel conflicting orders. Then gather trade ID and contact OKEx support. This troubleshooting step prevents losses and speeds resolution if your trade behaves unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.